We finally have a result of the rammed earth wall and it looks so beautiful. Here behind me you can see how the tree shadows are on the rammed earth. Beautiful clay color, red, rich soil color. I love the colors. I love the red, the clays that come through, and I love that you can see the layers. It's quite a forgiving material because it's organic, so you expect some inconsistencies in the walls. We have spent about 5 days in total ramming this column that is behind me, and it consists of 2 walls with a gap in the middle for sliding doors to fit in. The biggest challenge with this wall was the steel formwork, which is very heavy to move around and to move up. So that takes about an hour. So once you've rammed a height of 1.5 shutters, it takes about an hour to move the shutter to the next level.